So using mass m, length L, time t and the current A as fundamental quantities, the dimension of permeability is how much? The option A is correct, or option B, or option C, or option. Which one is the correct option? Okay, out of the following force. Okay, so we know that the magnetic force between two parallel current carrying wires is given by, okay, now is given by, that is force is equal to mu naught I1 I2 L for length by 2 phi r. Here F is equal to force mu naught is equal to permeability I1 and I2 current L is equal to length of the conductor, R is the radius. Not radius, distance between the two conductor. R is equal to R is equal to distance between the two conductor. Distance between two conductors. Okay. So dimension formula of, so we have to calculate mu naught is equal to F into 2 pi r divided by I1 I2 L. Okay, 2 pi is constant. 2 pi is equal to what? Constant. Dimension of constant is 0. Now you have to calculate the dimensional formula of force. Dimension of force is nothing but m1 L1 t to the power minus 2. Dimension of R. So our dimension of R is nothing but length, only L. Dimension of I. Dimension of current, that is I1 is equal to I2. The dimension of current is nothing but ampere. Dimension of length L is also L. So dimension of magnetic permeability is equal to dimension of force, dimension of R, dimension of I1, dimension of I2, dimension of L. So what shall I get? Dimension of force. So m1 L1 t to the power minus 2. This one is also L divided by current is ampere. Another is also ampere and L. So one L will cancel. So mu naught is equal to m1 L1 t to the power minus 2 a to the power minus 2. So this is your final answer. Which one is correct? Now correct option is m1 L1 m1 So that means correct option is C. So your correct answer is C. ओके पिला माने देख क्वेश्चन केते इजी क्वेश्चन अच्छी तो ये क्वेश्चन को प्राय टाइम रे एग्जाम रे आसूची तुम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम हो कि सीबीएसई बोर्ड हो कि काउंसिल एग्जाम हो जो मैंने ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम दौच तो यही टाइप रे क्वेश्चन मोर पड़ुची ओके जदि वीडियो भल लगी लाइक कर शेयर कर आउ सब्सक्राइब कर जमारू भूल ना थैंक यू फॉर योर वाचिंग थैंक यू।